Alright guys, what's up? I'm here with my new physics project, Hovercraft. So here we got the Hovercraft. It's got one electronic ducted fan, brushless. See? And that's for the back. And it's got a servo down there that will turn this. Yeah, when I do that from the remote. And then here I got a remote, and this is a throttle, and I got like forward, and I don't have a backward because the EDF, the motor, won't turn backwards if you don't like switch the wires, the 3 wires in the back seat. It's got 3 wires. Alright, so yeah, down here I got the same thing as up here, but it's put blowing down, so it when it blows down, it lifts the whole thing. It inflates the skirt, and it lifts the hovercrafts up, so it's kind of floating, you know, hovers. And yeah, the back fan is controlled by the controller down there, and the controller goes to through those red wires. It goes to one of the batteries here. I got 7.4 volt batteries. Yeah, it goes to the battery and to the receiver. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's a small receiver back there. I got a double-sided tape there, so it holds the wire, but it's a receiver. And yeah, here's the antenna from the receiver. See. So yeah, it goes to the receiver, and that's the twisting and the spinning of the motor is controlled by this thing here. Now the motor that blows down and actually lifts the whole thing is controlled by through the controller that's somewhere in the box here, and the controller goes to my Arduino Mega chip. Goes here. You can see through these wires. Now these wires are from the controller, and it's like black, red, and white. Black is the ground, and red is 5 volts. Well, actually, yeah, it's like 7.4, but depends on what you need for the brushless. And the white is the signal. But I only need the black wire because I had to connect the grounds from the oldest circuit, so it works with my chip. And then the white is the signal, and you can see it goes into pin 9 of my Arduino. So when it sends the signal here, it sends it to the speed controller, and it spins the motor in at different speeds, depending on how I turn this potentiometer. I put a screwdriver through here, and then so when I turn this, see, yeah, now when I turn this, it changes the speed of the motor. When it's all the way to the left, it's on 0, and all the way to the right is on highest velocity. And yeah, so that I control from there. When I got a 9 volt battery there, and that's just for the microchip. Just for the microchip, it plugs in here with this thing. I put it in here, so it plugs in here. I don't have the battery connected, so if I have the battery connected, it starts like the LED turns on here and here, like telling me that it's on and stuff. Yeah, so that's the microchip. Now for the bottom, I got this skirt. I made the skirt out of duct tape. I made it around the tube, so I make it kind of circle. It looks like a tube, but now it's just almost flat because the hovercraft weight, you know, became flat. And now here's a underneath. That's a brushless motor that blows down. Yeah, it's this one. And the base, that's made out of wood. The base. Now you can see here I got this is paper, just yeah, whatever. And I made that because when I play with it, I may hit it on the wall or like chairs, tables and stuff, so I don't want to hit this because it's connected to the servo down there, and it's just connected through one screw, the screw that you screw it on the little servo head, you know, so it doesn't come off. Because my first idea was to make the fan just stable in one position, and then make two blades that would be turned by the servo. But then I just said I just put this. I can control the direction better if I have the actual EDF turning, you know. So that's why I needed this thing, because this is kind of loose almost. It's just one little screw. So I made this thing. It protects my servo and my EDF and everything. Now to see the thing in action, I got one battery, and see, I got two red plugs. I mean that one and that one. And this one is for the motor that blows down, and this one is for the motor that blows back and for the servo, because they're in the same. Right, so now I want to show you guys the fan that blows down. You got the leads to the battery. They just alligator clips. They go around there, yeah, just to make them kind of shorter and not tangle around. And I got this plug, and it goes in here. See, yeah. See, now I got power in the microchip, and I'm gonna put this down for a second. Wait, no, I need to see the thing over there. I gotta put it on mid speed. Yeah, about there. Now I'm gonna connect the wires. Yeah, that's. I'll put the speed on low. Yeah, that's the signal, and then a bit on high. Low, high.